In this video, I will share with you two of the most powerful and effective homemade masks that will eliminate acne in the shortest time and make your skin glow. These homemade masks are suitable for all skin types. Honey and turmeric mask. 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Put honey in a bowl and add turmeric with a teaspoon and mix until it forms a paste. The honey and turmeric mask helps treat acne, removes skin pollutants, closes open pores, and softens the skin. This mask is gentle enough for all skin types and can be used 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Honey, it's a natural humectant, meaning it hydrates the skin by drawing moisture from the air. It also has antibacterial properties, which help combat acne. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric helps reduce acne and brightens the skin. Please like and subscribe to the video to support the channel. Rice mask. Put a cup of rice in the machine and add 2 teaspoons of milk and mix until it becomes a paste. Pour the prepared ingredients into the bowl and use. The rice mask helps lighten and even out the skin tone and exfoliates the dead skin cells and makes the skin appear smoother. Use this mask 1 to 2 times a week for best results and apply it on the dark spots of your body and wash it with cold water after 20 minutes. Rice is rich in vitamins and minerals that help brighten the complexion. Milk removes dead skin cells, lightens dark spots, improves overall skin tone, and reduces facial wrinkles.